Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to reset the Optimum cable box. Open the menu on the cable box using your remote. Make sure your TV and cable box are both on so you can see the image on the screen. Look on the remote that controls your cable and locate a button that says menu, which is usually at the top or in the middle of the remote. Once you click on the button, a pop-up menu should show up on your TV screen. The button on your remote may also have a picture of a gear on it, or it may have an icon with 2 to 3 horizontal lines. If you aren't sure where the menu button is, look for its user manual to find the button configuration. There may also be a menu button on the front panel of your cable box if you don't have your remote. If the image on your TV is frozen, you may not be able to access the menus. Navigate to the settings option in the cable menu. Use the arrows button on your remote to scroll through the menu option on the screen. Look for an option that says Settings or Support before clicking the OK or Enter button. A different menu will appear on the screen with new options for adjusting the settings on your cable box. Some cable boxes also have arrows buttons on them so you can navigate through the menus without your remote. Check for a reset or restart option in the settings. Scroll through the options in the settings menu and search for one that says Reset or Restart. Press the OK or Enter button once you highlight the restart option to start the process. If there is a pop-up confirmation asking if you want to restart, click on the Yes option. If you have multiple cable boxes in your home, they may not work while you are restarting the main box. Fully resetting your cable box could erase any content you recorded or saved on it. Wait until your cable box reboots completely to see if it works. It may take a few minutes of your cable box to boot up again, so wait patiently while it is restarting. The image on your TV may flash on and off while the cable box reboots, or it may have a loading bar. Once the system boots back up, check if you're still having the same problems as before. If you're still having problems with your cable box, you can try restarting it again, or you can contact your cable provider's customer support. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.